Hello and welcome. It's great that you've tuned in. If you're gearing up to compose some music in the mystery style, you're in the right place. This episode is packed with valuable insights just for you. When I think of mystery in music, it's not just about using major or minor chords, it goes much deeper than that. After giving this a lot of thought, I've come up with a definition that really captures what mystery means to me. Mystery in music is like navigating unexpected twists and turns. It's that sense of uncertainty where you're not in a safe space and can't control what's coming next. This idea also overlaps with horror music, but with one key difference: the tempo. While action music is fast-paced, mystery music typically creeps along at a slower or medium tempo, building suspense gradually. That's not to say there can't be quicker passages in mystery music, but overall it's the slower, creeping pace that sets the tone. With this understanding, we can dive into some practical composition tips. I'm a big fan of the augmented triad, or as we call it in interval theory, 4+4. This refers to the chromatic steps between notes, starting from the lowest note. So, from middle C, you move up 4 chromatic steps to E, and then another 4 steps to G sharp or A flat. This 4+4 structure is part of a larger family we refer to as the equivalence, where the notes are spaced equally apart. Now, how do we expand on this 4+4 structure to create more musical material? One of my favorite techniques is using chromatic connections. By contracting the outer notes chromatically toward each other, we get a 3+3 structure, which connects seamlessly to the 4+4. Once you commit to a specific structure or musical idea, you can use techniques to build out more related material, and if you're struggling with this, I'm here to help. Just reach out and we can explore the next steps together. Now let's put this theory into practice. I've written a quick composition based on what we've discussed, using 3+3, 4+4, and some basic triads. For now, I'll focus on the writing process, but just so you know, the next step would be refining the mix and polishing the mock-up. In this example, the musical essence really lies in the woodwind section. Everything else adds a bit of sparkle and enhances the core idea, but it's not crucial. Let's isolate the woodwinds and listen to them on their own. Here we have the empty bar. If you ever find yourself needing to write mystery music, remember the 4+4 structures and all the intriguing musical pathways they lead to. You can go beyond simple major and minor triads. If you enjoyed this content, I encourage you to check out our deep dives, which are available to Academy members and supporters on Patreon. All the details are below. Have a fantastic day, and thanks so much for your time. This is Frank, best always.